Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Messenger app. Then go ahead and click on this three slider. Then go ahead and click on message request. Then here you go. You have access to all message requests right here, and likewise spam right here. So you can click on spam. This will show you some of the spam message right here. Sometimes your set message move to spam, or message from people you may know right here can be found right here. As a result of this, not every message can be found in your inbox in your Facebook Messenger. However, always check your message request in order not to miss out some of the important DM in your Facebook Messenger app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about how best to use your Facebook Messenger app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.